Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information we have in the question. The function f is defined by the equation f of x positive 2 is equal to 7x positive 2. What is the value of f of x when x equals to 4? Okay, so here when I look at the given function over here, inside the parenthesis I have x positive 2. So the function is not in regular form, it's in irregular form. But they are asking us to evaluate the function in regular form, because what is regular form and what is irregular form? So when I write a function like f of x, just look at the stuff over here. When I find single variable inside the parenthesis next to f, then we have to consider this function is in regular form. Instead of this single variable in the same function, so if I have some expression like this, x positive to something like this, so then we have to consider the function is in irregular form. So in this question, our first work is to convert the function to regular form. That is, so we have to find the expression which is equal to f of x. So for that, let me take the given function over here, that is f of x positive 2 equals to 7x positive 2. Okay, to convert this function to regular form, that is in the form of f of x, so you have to plug in a new variable for this x positive 2. That is, we have to assume a new variable for the stuff over here inside the parenthesis next to f. Okay, now let me assume y equals to x positive 2. Okay, and also we have to solve for x in terms of y in this equation. For that, what I need to do, I have to subtract 2 from both sides. When I subtract 2 from both sides, I'll be getting y negative 2 equals to x. So I have solved for x in terms of y. I solved for x in terms of y. Okay, now let me take the given function. So in the given function f of, for this x positive 2, we have assumed y, so that x positive 2 can be replaced by y. And the right side also we have to have only y. So for that, we have solved for x in terms of y over here. So we have to replace this x by y negative 2. So 7 times y negative 2 positive 2. So f of y equals to, now let's distribute this 7 to y and negative 2, then I'm getting 7y. 7 times negative will be negative 14 positive 2. So f of y equals to 7y. When I simplify, I mean when I combine negative 14 and positive 2, I'm getting negative 2. So almost I got the function in regular form, that is f of y equals to 7y negative 12. Okay, so but I need f of x. So for that, we just have to replace this y by x. When I replace this y by x, on the right side also, wherever I find y, it has to be replaced by x. So here I find y, so this y has to be replaced by x. So then I'm getting 7x negative 12. So now I got the stuff which is equal to f of x, that is f of x equals to 7x negative 12. Okay, we have to find the value of this f of x and x equals to 4. That means we have to plug in 4 for this x. Then I'll be getting f of 4 equals to, on the right side also I have to plug in 4 for x. Then 7 times 4 negative 12. So f of 4 equals to 7 times 4 is 28 negative 12. So when I subtract 12 from 28, I'm getting 16. So the value of f of x and x equals to 4 is 16.